serious? You dey carry snakes enter but you no carry me wey bring jollof rice for the journey. This app go hungry oh. Let me hand you over to Jane now to teach you how she used AI to create me and this scene.
That was funny, right? Let's get into the tutorial. The first thing you're going to do as usual is to go to ChatGPT, of course, and then you're going to tell ChatGPT exactly what you want him to create, okay? So I told ChatGPT I need you to generate me a very nice script for Google VEO3 about a Nigerian woman that was not allowed to enter Noah's Ark. And I want it to be very funny and I want her to be speaking in pidgin English.
I used the speech to text feature on ChatGPT to tell it what to do.
And so it generated this prompt for me, all right? So this is the prompt that we are going to copy. If you want to copy from ChatGPT, it's quite simple. You just press down like this and click select text. It comes up like this. You press here and you drag and select only the part that has the script, okay? And then you copy it. Now we're going to the second part of this video, which is you're going to go to Google Flow. Before we continue, if you like this prompt, just comment down below and I'll drop the prompt for you, okay? And let me officially welcome you to the channel. My name is Jirubu and you're welcome to this channel. I'm happy to see you. So now let's continue. Go to your browser and type Google Labs, okay? And then you're going to see Flow. Click it, click Get Started and sign in with Google. I've told you before in a previous video how to sign in for Google Flow for free. Check out the pinned post top above or the first link in the description box. Okay, the link to Google Flow 2 will also be in the description box. And I also showed you in that video how to use Google Flow, how to sign up for it, how to get it free for 1 month. Okay, so now we are going to come here to this point and click New Project. Here, you're going to make sure that you have text to video, okay? And then we're going to click here and then we are going to paste the prompts that we copied from ChatGPT. We're going to click this settings right here and we are going to click reduce the output to 1. If you leave it at 2, it's going to generate 2 variations, okay? I know that we're using a credit system, so we're going to use VEO3 fast. Now, if you want your generations to be much detailed, you can use VEO3 quality, all right? But VEO2 fast is okay for this thing that we're creating. And then when we are done, I beg your pardon that this is not showing very well, but you click the arrow here. You're going to wait for some time for this to generate. Please, if you're enjoying the video so far and you're learning something, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel because I'm going to be posting very easy tutorials for you like this that are going to give you millions of views and of course make you money. And that's it, guys. The video is ready. If you want to download it, you click this download button here and download. But before then, let's play it again.
Noah, you not serious? You dey carry snakes enter but you no carry me
So you can see that she didn't finish saying what she wanted to say, right? So this is how you're going to fix that. You're going to click here, all right? You're going to click reuse prompts. This part where she's talking, you're going to clean the first part. You can see her actual words inside the quotation mark. So she has said the first part of the script in the quotation mark. So we are going to clean that part out, leaving out the other parts that she has not said. Note that whatever you write inside a quotation mark in your prompts is what your generated character is going to say. Then you're going to click the arrow again. So it's done producing the second part with the second script, and let's watch it.
Me wey bring jollof rice for the journey. This app go hungry oh.
So what you just do that you go in post-production or you use an app like Clipchamp or you use CapCut, any free editing software, and just merge the 2 parts together as you saw in the opener. And that is it. It's so easy.
Please oh, help me to like this video. As Noah no let me enter him ark, make I use your likes and subscribe hold body.